Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I go from these long squovaled shaped nails to rounded off almond shaped nails. It's not an extreme almond shape, but it is rounded, and here I'm showing examples of my squoval shaped nails so you get the idea of where I was prior to doing this shape. And here we are at the new almond shape, and these are really simple shape to achieve to your nails. First off, you're definitely going to start out with clean nails, no polish. You're going to need a file, and the grit is all depending on you. This is just a normal regular grit file that you buy at Walmart. I'm going to start off by laying my fingernail completely against the file, and I want to show you the close-up because my nail is flush with the file. I press it against the file and I move back and forth. Normally you would not move back and forth in this kind of aggressive manner if you were just filing your nails, but I'm doing this to take length and shape my nail versus just a regular file, because this can cause breaks and peeling in nails, but we are doing this to reshape the nail itself. So I will do that until the sides of my nails are shaped down and they are not coming at like that really blunt side. And then I'm going to take the file and go against the right side at an angle towards the tip, and the left side as well, and then I'm going to round off the tip of the nail, if that makes sense. And here I am showing you again. This is a more sped up version, but flat against the file to flatten out the backs and sides of the nails, and then take it against each side of the nail and round your tip off, and that's going to give you that nice rounded almond shape to your nails. And it was very quick and easy. I think to do one hand it was just a few minutes of filing, and there you have it. That is the almond shape from Squoval. Very quick and easy, and I just thought that I would share my new nail shape with you, make a video on it real fast, and share with you how to do this. Very easy. Follow these steps to achieve this shape to your nails as well. So I hope you found the video helpful. Let me know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. And don't forget to check the description box for additional links as well as the cards for additional videos.